In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple blog layout in Dreamweaver. Let's dive right in. First, open Dreamweaver on your computer. This is the first step in creating your blog layout. Once Dreamweaver is open, you'll be greeted with the main interface, which is where all the magic happens. Now, let's create a new HTML page. This is crucial because it provides the framework for your blog layout. Go to the top menu, click on File, and then select New. Make sure to choose HTML from the options. This gives us a blank canvas to work on, ready to be filled with our blog content. Next up, click on Split View. This will allow you to see both the code and the design view simultaneously. It's incredibly helpful because you can immediately see how your code translates into a visual format. This step is important because it ensures you can make real-time adjustments and see the results instantly. With Split View ready, let's add some HTML inside the body tags. Type in the following code. Header. This creates a header section with the title, My Blog. Main. Inside the main, add an article section with a heading for the blog post title and a paragraph for the blog content. Footer. Finally, add a footer with a copyright notice for 2026. Each of these sections is essential to laying out a clear structure for your blog. Now, it's time to add some CSS for styling. Place the CSS code inside the head tags. Style. Define the body style with a font family of Arial, sans serif. This makes your text look clean and modern. For the header and footer, set the text alignment to center and add padding of 20 pixels. This centers your text and adds some space around it for a neat appearance. Finally, style the article section. Set a maximum width of 800 pixels, margin as auto, and padding of 20 pixels. This keeps your content well-framed and easy to read. Remember, CSS is what makes your blog not only functional but also visually appealing. With all that coding done, it's time to save the file. Click on File at the top left of the screen, then choose Save As. Name your file something memorable, like My Blog HTML, and choose a location on your computer where you can easily find it later. Saving your work is crucial. It ensures that none of your hard work is lost. At this point, you're ready to see your blog layout in action. Click on Live View or press F12 on your keyboard. This will render your HTML and CSS, showing you exactly how your blog will appear in a web browser. You should now see your simple blog layout with a header, an article section, and a footer. The text should be centered and styled according to the CSS you added. This final step is important because it allows you to double-check that everything is working as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully built a simple blog layout in Dreamweaver. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different styles and structures. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.